Well, other work came in and put me behind, but I got a couple hours. Maybe I can at least try to do a test drive today and get it going, but I got to grind these off and shove that on there, and we'll go and see what we can do here. It throws you off every time because you keep hitting this cup thing. I was thinking about what's the use of sealing that thing if it's just riding like that. I don't know. I was thinking about putting some Permatex up. I don't think I'm going to waste it. I think it would be a waste of time. Well, I'll start grinding. What that means, all your PPE. Okay, a little bit of the dry lubricant there. Messy, ain't it? Okay, yesterday I was running out of battery, but let's clean this thing off. Cools it down a little bit too, which is good for such things. Okay, and then I was going to use my lally column, but that didn't work, so I used this. Alright, 2 hands. I need to hold it so it won't fall over. We're going for final assembly here pretty soon. Maybe a test drive. Okay, Lucas boy. Let's get it up here and see if we can get enough on here to get enough on there to do this. Okay, so let's get Let's get this and pack down in here. I'll try not to put this under a car. Alright, so let's put it over here then. So just grab a fingerful and just pack it down in there. Like I said the other night, all the young dudes say, don't go too hog wild on this right here. Just kind of get it in and around. Okay. And like I said too, I really don't feel like the oil gets to this stuff very much, so let's try to get it all the way around. You seen it coming out of the bottom, and how could you tell? Well, that feels a lot better. Okay, let's just pack a couple little bit more, because this, like I said, I couldn't put the shielded edge on it because the welding would have just melted it, and then God knows what that would have done. Okay. Well, let's go do the other one. Okay, I think that's... You know, I actually see some coming out of the other end. So, let's not put any more. Let's just take the extra off and pack it around. Okay, so let's put this on the ground so we don't knock it off. Okay, now let's go over here and do this one. It's already sprayed out real good, so I certainly don't have the room here to do that. So let me just, you saw it. Let's just move along. Okay, now it's a good time to look around your brake stuff and see which way this thing turns to make things work. Okay, so here's the left axle because it has no marks. I put an R on the other one. So let's go. Okay, you gotta kind of stay off that thing much as you can. Try to keep it off of that seal. we go. You got to get your little crossover bar out of the way. All right. Now you'll notice that, there we go. Okay, we're in. Sounds good to me. Feels good. And these back bolts, I like this thing because you can just discharge it easily. So we're back here, and well, you can't see that at all. Let's say it's woefully out of focus. Okay. These little back pieces here, they float, so you can get in your get your nuts in. Let's just throw a little blue on them. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. I need my light. Okay, well, I'm gonna put bolts in. Okay. All right, we're looking into that. Let's you know, you should adjust these before you put the drum on as much as you can. I've got to I just remembered something important. Look at that, got it right there. That hardly ever happens. I need to get some spacers here because these flanges are too thick and they cause problems. So anyway, what's the back of this look like? That tape just keeps that cup from rattling. Okay. I'm gonna do something I don't want to show you, so I ain't gonna. But we'll get these star wheel adjusted. Okay, I got the left side brakes adjusted and everything. I'm ready to load it with oil. I got this side done. I think you've seen enough. We'll drop her down and give her a torque, and then we'll be ready for a test drive, I think. Let that down, push it out of the way. Got my torque wrench ready over there. All right, I've been cleaning up as I go. So let's put oil in it, and then that'll be good. Okay, well, I hope I did it all right. So you got to get her level to put oil in her, so let's let her down once I adjust this brake. It's been a while, but she's on all four paws now. Well, nothing too bad going on. Okay, let's get this thing out of the way, and then we'll put oil in her. It's better when you start something, just finish it. Okay. Well, she's on the ground. I'll put them away in a second. Just keep them there, I guess. Okay. All right, she's on the ground, and everything looks good. Let me get all this stuff. I didn't need that pan after all. Didn't need that red shirt thing. Okay. Well, she feels tight. All right, let's get it. I think I'm okay with this thing. Let's get it up as far as we can. Okay, that's good enough. Get it a little further than that. All right, well, all right. We got to put some transmission fluid in it too. Let me get that little drip off of there, because it was all inside of this. Okay, put some powder down there, all's good. Put that over there to put it away. That goes somewhere else. Okay. Now, let's go put oil in it. And I'll tell you what, let's bring this back, because it's bound to overflow. You know how it is. Okay. All right, I'm all set. The good thing about this is you can tilt the thing up. You don't even have to have this hose. You can just pour it in there, and you tilt it up enough to get it all in. It's pretty cool. That's the good thing about working on a truck. You got more room. Okay. The Axels full of oil, and I got my clickies going over here. Alright, so the only thing to do now is drive around the property here and hope it don't lock up. We'll soon find out. Got about an hour left of daylight. I just got done a little quicker than I thought I would. Okay, she's about to hit the deck here. I'm just going to drive her around the lot for a while before I, kind of break her in. The bearings and all the other stuff, and the bushing and the U-joint. I just kind of want to make double dog sure everything's okay. I think we can pull this out now. Might have to put it back in, but we don't need that today. It's got to be 65 or something. Okay. All right, girl, you ready? I'm ready. I am all set. Watch her not start. Okay, well, I guess we'll just... What have I got in my pocket here? Oh, I got... let me put some more tools away and stuff. Okay. Are we on record here? Yep, okay. Well, let's see how it goes. The little blue light's on over there. That's no way to kill time. Okay. Oh. Yeah, she ain't cranked up, I don't think, in 10 days. So, wham. Noise alert. Let me see if I can find the key. This we'll know soon enough here. Okay, oh, I gotta take the chocks out. I want to do that first. I forgot to take the chocks out of all things. Double your pleasure on the door noise there. Just push that in. This does have a neutral safety switch. I did a video on that. So it is better to have it in park when you pull the chocks out. Oh, I got to put some transmission fluid in it. Let me put a half a quart of transmission fluid in it. Put less, alright, let's do that right now. All them little things you gotta keep remembering. Okay, torque the wheels. Did the transmission fluid, put oil in the thing, cool. Alright, just, alright. What is it? 524. Okay, sun will be going down soon. Well, let's find out. You ready? Well, no big awful grinding. Brakes work fine. I feel like that right rear probably needs to be tightened up some, but I kind of just, yeah, it's free anyway. The pedal's not bad. Okay. Well, no big trails of goo anywhere. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have to break this in, so. Ooh, she's hard to run one-handed. Yeah, we ain't heading toward the road. We're gonna drive around a couple of times. Around the loop. And I don't care too much about killing grass. Well, I don't hear anything. Shadows are long. Did a bunch of hose work today. Alright, well, I've got everything off every pedal here. It's a little squishy because it got a couple inches of rain last night, but it'll be fine. Alright, well, the clock is running and the cam bot's running and all that, so I still got to try to drag this mud pile out. We're going to do this a couple times. Maybe I'll run over that old papyrus root and bust it up. Kinda don't want to go out in the field. Watch me get stuck or something. Yeah, probably not the best idea to... Well, I got it done just in time. Yeah, the fish are getting big. I doubt you can see them from here. Like the back side of the pond, you can see their little circles. There they are. I fed them just a minute ago. They're getting big. They're growing up. See the fish, how big it's grown. Okay, we'll pull into the garage. I'm going to do this a couple of more times. And that'll be the end of it. I can't tell you it feels a lot different, but I guess psychologically it feels different. Yeah, the sun's behind the trees. All right, we'll pull into the garage here in a minute, barn. Okay, need my both hands, I'm tired. Okay, well I took her around about 6 times and I don't hear anything. So we're gonna put her back on here and I'll look at her tomorrow. Adjust those rear brakes a little bit, I guess, but that's kind of to be expected. All right. Oops. Well, I'm gonna hope that she's on the lift good. Good enough anyway. We'll go see and then we'll call this a day here. So we got that up. Okay. Got my keys. Alright. Oh, my gracious. That was a big project. Okay. Looks good there. Got a little mud on my tars. That's good. If this side's good, the other side's good. Okay. Yeah. We're fine. Well, this is it. This is the end of the series. U-joints and something with foo in my throat. Tail shaft bushing, seal, blah 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 blah. Little powder coating done, and that's about it. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I appreciate y'all spending time with me. Wow, let's go in. I might have some brandy left. If I don't, I might just go get some. All right, bye-bye. Gotta get these cars out. Good day for it. I don't ever start them when it's under 50. It's funny, there's there they are. See, there's an albino one in there. I don't know if you can see him. But he's right there, so you can see him pretty good, actually. There's a completely white one and a completely black one. So I call Whitey Blackie and Blackie Whitey. But they're getting big. See that one like it right there? They're really getting big. He's not grown much. But he hadn't sank either, so that's good. So look how many I got now. And there's a couple over here even. Okay. Well, I'm real happy about all this. The truck, and don't know it till I make it back and forth to town, I guess. But I got the tow company thing in my wallet, so anything goes wrong. I guess in the summertime the water will get murky, but it's pretty clean. They say that pond food helps it stay clean, but don't feed your fish under like 40 degrees water temperature. So there they are. They don't run from me anymore. Of course, that's what they should do. I hadn't seen the blue heron since that one time when I was first building it. But if he comes and gets a couple, he comes and gets a couple. All right, well, just kind of like doing a little something at the end. They put the peanuts out here today, and not one crow came. Those crows, man, you just can't depend on them.